Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily add a new mobile number to your Google account. So in order to do this, first I'll head on to my browser and go on to google.com. And first, if you haven't logged into your account, you will have to log in first. And once this page appears, you will have to click on the profile icon right here. And then you will have to click on manage your Google account. Now you can go on to this option or second option called personal info. You have to click on it. And if you scroll down a little, you can see in the contact info tab, you can see the phone number option. You can click on it. Now you can add a phone number to this one. So maybe I'll show you how you can do that. So I'll change this number to something else. So I'll click on it. And now I will have this option to edit. I can click on it. Now I have to enter the password. Once that's done, you can see this update mobile number option. You can click on update number, and now you can click on use another number and click on next. And now you will have to input the number, and Google will send an OTP to this number. You will have to type in the code correctly so that the mobile number is correctly updated. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.